My name is Babar, and today I'm going to discuss how we can use the virtual machine. But this time I'm going to discuss the virtual machine of Linux in Azure and how it works. So this is the portal.azure.com. I'm going to highlight, and these are all the services: the virtual machines, resource group, app services, storage account, SQL database, virtual network. All these services are here, containers, database. So what I'm going to do, because we are going to start and talk about the virtual machines and discuss about how many virtual machines we have right now. This is virtual machines of the I think Windows. Another is Linux, and this is a Linux operating system. What I'm going to check this check button, click on this check button, and click on Start. And do you want to start all the selected virtual machines? This operation will start all the virtual machines selected below. So I just click the yes option and executing start command on one selected item. So I have to wait. And so it takes a bit time. So I have to wait for this virtual machine. And so this is the portal of the Azure, this virtual machines. If you look here, and it shows that these are the virtual machines are already we have, and also these are the features as well, and all the services. We click here and just open in the new link, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. But right now I have to wait because it's still in process, and the process is not completed. And so we have to wait for a while. Now executed start command on one selected succeeded. And now you're going to look here. It shows here that it is already stopped. When I just click the fresh option, it shows that it's in a running status. So what could be the next step? I just click on this virtual machine. And then could be, these are the features I can see for this virtual machine: automation, logs, metric, alerts, when you just monitoring, and availability skill, and networking, Bastion, connect. But here I'm going to connect this um this virtual machine. So here it shows that is a local machine Azure portal, SSH using Azure CLI. Quickly connect in the browser and supports Microsoft Entra ID authentications. Private keys not required because the public address is mentioned here. So whenever just we use the Linux operating system, then we use this SSH command. And whenever we use the Windows operating system, Windows Servers 2022, Windows Server 2012, so we use the command RDP. But in this scenario, there's a different SSH. I just going to click on the select option. It takes me there, and it takes a bit time. So it is processing. And the system assign managed identity, Microsoft Entra's ID, SSH login extension, virtual machine users. And what to do, I just click on connect, and then it takes a bit time. Now I am the Linux. This is Ubuntu, and this Ubuntu I'm going to access in Azure platform. So I'm using the Linux command, and then I want to see other things as well, like I want to go there in other files um like a home users. How many users are there? We click on the user. There's Azure user there, and there's a Bauer in Germany. So I'm going to go. I want to go to the Azure user, and it says that permission denied. Why permission denied? Because I have no privileges. I have no access to access the other user because I'm a normal user. So what is the other option how I can access this user file? That's simple sudo command. When I use the sudo command, and I'm going to use the same command, just 1 minute, cd slash home Azure. Here you can see it's a permission denied when we type this command. And here I'm going to type this command after using the command of sudo, and you will see the result would be different. Here I have the rights because when we use the sudo command, it gives you all the rights like you are become an admin. You have all the rights. Before I didn't have the rights. So whenever I just go use the command LA, so I am going to access all these files. So these are the permissions are there now, read, write for the users and not execute, and others can this. So one important thing I'm going to discuss here, system control status, because we just connect this Linux Ubuntu through SSH, and I'm going to check the SSH service. What is going to show me here? It shows that this is active and it's running. So no problem, and it's running since 5 minutes because I just opened that system just a few minutes before. So this is all about the Linux, how we can use the Linux in the Azure platform, and how we can just uh, stop this operating system. This is also very important. Whenever you finish your task, when you don't have other tasks, what you can do. This is very important in the cloud premises, that in every cloud, especially I'm using Azure, so I have to stop this OS, because when I'm not using, I have to stop this services. Otherwise, I should be charged. There, I have to pay for the for these services because we're using these services. But what I'm going to do it now, I just go back again in a virtual machine. When I go back in a virtual machine, and just I click the option in the check or in the stop. And then, do you want to stop all the selected virtual machines, and this operation will stop all the virtual machines selected below? Yes, I want. And then it takes a bit time executing stop command on one selected items. And we just wait for a while and see that when the system will be in a stop mode. So right now I have to wait, and I'm going to show you how it works and what are the benefit for this. So this is very important when you work in industry, whenever the things are going in a running state, we have to pay for these resources because you're using these resources over the cloud. So it seemed like, and I'm just going to wait. It's the same like whenever you use electricity and consume electricity, you have to pay for whatever you consume the electricity. Now is execute the stop command on one selected items, and it shows that it's running. So I just click the refresh and it shows some different. So this is all about the Linux operating system Ubuntu. We just how we can use it, how we can start, how it could work, and how we use all the Ubuntu commands. And if you have any questions, you can ask your questions in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And thanks to watch my video and have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.